examples on 3.54. Check whether the following system of equation is consistent or inconsistent and say how many solutions we can have if it is consistent. So the equation is given, we want to find the number of solutions in the given equation, means we have the, and also we want to find the consistent or inconsistent. When we have a consistent means when we have solution, then only we have consistent, we say it is a consistent. If there is no solution means then it is inconsistent. And consistent means it has a sure or congruent or corresponding, like this we can use the word for consistent, right? To find this, here we have the formula, that is A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That is the ratio of coefficient of X and then is equal to ratio of coefficient of Y and then ratio of the constant term. By this we can find out how many solutions is there. Let's see the first equation, the 2 Roman number 1, that is 2x minus y minus 4y is equal to 7 and x minus 3y is equal to minus 2 is given. Compare this equation with, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. See first and second equation, here the a1 is, a2 is coefficient of x. Solution, we have the formula, that is a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. First we find out what is that and then we can see which one is are equal or not equal. By using this we can find out the number of solutions. See a1 divided by a2 is equal to 2 divided by 1 and b1 divided by b2 is minus 4 divided by minus 3. c1 divided by c2 is 7 divided by minus 2. Then both numerator and denominator having the same value, negative value, so cancel that, we get 4 by 3 is equal to 7 divided by or minus 7 divided by 2. See, when we have the condition a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, we can say it has a unique solution, intersect at one place, so it has a unique solution. Here a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, therefore it has unique solution. Next we see the second Roman number. Here the second Roman number is given as 4x plus y is equal to 3 and 8x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here also we are using the same form, that is a1 divided by a2 is equal to 4 divided by 8, coefficient of x. 4 divided by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2 and b1 divided by b2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 and then c1 divided by c2 is equal to 3 divided by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. By this condition all the terms are equal value, so we can say it is that a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. When we have all the terms are equal, we have infinitely many number solution, infinitely number of solution, therefore it has infinite many solution, infinite number of solution or infinite many solution. When we get the infinite solution means the two lines are coincide. When the two lines are coincide, then only we get the infinite number of solution. The first one, unique solution, means then two lines are intersected. Unique solution means two lines are intersected. Let's see the third Roman number. Here the third Roman number is given. Here also we want to find out the same term. See, the coefficient of x is here, the coefficient of y is here, b, right? And then the constant term. So a1 divided by a2 is equal to, the coefficient of x is 4 divided by 2 is nothing but 2. 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 2. And then b1 divided by b2, that is coefficient of y, that is 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Then c1 divided by c2 is equal to 7 divided by 9. The constant term is 7 divided by 9. Clearly a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 is not equal. So a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is not equal to c1 divided by c2. By this condition we have no solution because the line are parallel line. The two lines are parallel, so therefore it has no solution. So by using this form, we can able to find the lines are parallel or coincide or intersect, and how many solutions it contain. So it contains solution means it is a consistent. See, this is no solution, so it is inconsistent. Surely we cannot say the result for this. Not congruent, not. So no corresponding lines, no congruent lines. So it has no solution for this. Thank you, students.